Hello, what's up guys? So today I'm going to introduce how to perform latte art without milk. So so it's been a while since I made my last video. So because I've changed my coffee machine, so I started learning latte art from buying Nespresso Cristisa Plus, and then I bought a coffee machine from Taobao, and this is my third machine. Okay, so let me just introduce them first. So both brands are WPM, and this one is called ZD18, and this one is called KD310. So if you don't know anything about these machines, you can just Google them. Okay, so yeah, basically let's begin. So hopefully you guys find this video useful. Okay, so first of all, you can see there's a mark inside. Can you see that? There's a mark here, outside and inside. And then we're gonna froth the liquid, basically the coffee, okay, up to this line here. I mean the fee here, here or inside, okay. So let's get started. Basically three revolutions, and then you're gonna get rid of the powder. Okay. All right. Basically, this is the trick. We need to use half the volume of the crema, and then we are gonna we are gonna froth it, and it will become thick, and then we can make latte art. So we just need to wait about 25 to 30 seconds. Okay, it's up to you really. Okay, so the crema looks like this. Basically here, just pour inside. Okay, so can you turn? Can you come here? Can you come here? I need to grab some ice. Yeah. Actually, you don't have to grab too many ice cubes. That will be fine. And then basically you can add it up to like up to that line. So where did I buy this milk pitcher? I bought this in you know, like at my school. This pitcher is from WPM. Okay, so again you can Google it. Okay. So I'm gonna froth it now. Make sure I prepare the wet handkerchief. Okay. So I need to get rid of the water, you know, remaining inside the steam wine, and then yeah. Okay, start now. So you can come forward and have a look. You can come forward. Come, okay? So you can see what's inside. I'm gonna froth it up to just beneath the V line and make sure the temperature is not too high. Okay, we can close it. Okay, and you can see my setting as well. So the steam duty is 0.4. That means, yeah, I didn't turn it to the maximum. I guess the maximum is 7, right? Okay. Anyway, so you're gonna get rid of the used up bubbles. So I'm gonna perform beautiful latte art. So I'm gonna create the swan. Okay. So make sure both of them have got the movement inside. Okay. Okay, let's get started. That's it. Okay. Okay, so this is my latte art. And so if you guys love my video, make sure give me a like and subscribe my channel. So I will see you guys next time. Okay. Thank you.